Hello student. Today we are going to discuss some numbers of exercise 3.1, that is understanding quadrilateral. In this chapter we are studying different varieties of curve. So curve is a continuous and smooth flowing line or outline without any sharp terms. So here is some figures and classify them into a simple curve, simple closed curve, polygon, convex and concave polygon. Simple curve, what is that? The simple curve doesn't cross itself at any point. So figure 1, 2, 5, 6 and 7. These are the examples of simple curve that doesn't cross itself at any point. Then simple closed curve, what is that? A simple closed curve is a curve closed by a line segment or by a curved line. So figure 1, 2, 5, 6 and 7 are the examples of simple closed curve. Next is the polygon. What is polygon? A simple closed curve made up of only line segments. So figure 1 and 2 are the example of polygon. Next is convex polygon. What is that? Diagonals of the polygon lies interior side is called convex polygon, and concave is at least one diagonal lies exterior side. So figure 1 is the concave polygon. Here is the answer. Next is, how many diagonal does each of the following have? A convex quadrilateral, regular hexagon and a triangle. Formula to find out the number of diagonal of polygon is D is equal to n into n minus 3 by 2. Quadrilateral have 4 sides, so n equal to 4 here. By putting n equal to 4, we get D equal to 2. So number of diagonal of convex quadrilateral is 2. And number of diagonals of regular hexagon is 9, where you put n equal to 6, because hexagon n equal to 6, put the value n equal to 6, we get d equal to 9. So number of diagonal is 9 here. Remind that formula. And number of diagonal of triangle, number of side of triangle is 3. So put the value of n equal to 3 here, we get d equal to 0. So number of diagonal of triangle is 0. Next is, what is the sum of measure of the angles of convex quadrilateral? Will this property hold if the convex quadrilateral is not convex, mean concave? Here ABCD is a convex quadrilateral. This quadrilateral divided into two triangles, and sum of the two triangle angle sum is 180 plus 180 is 360 degree. So angle sum of this convex quadrilateral is 360 degree. And if the quadrilateral is not convex, means concave, when you divide this concave quadrilateral into two triangles, same as angle sum of triangle is 180 plus 180 is 360 degree. So interior angle sum of concave and convex quadrilateral is 360 degree. Whatever the quadrilateral, convex or concave, the interior angle sum of quadrilateral is 360 degree. Next is, examine the table. Each figure is divided into triangles and sum of the angles deduces from that. And what can you say about the angle sum of convex polygon with the number of side? If number of side is 7, 8, 10 or n, what is its interior angle sum? So examine the pattern. Pattern is n minus 2 into 180 degree, that is the interior angle sum of any polygon. So if n equal to 7, then that will be 7 minus 2 into 180 degree and so on. So first bit is 7, n equal to 7, 7 minus 2 into 180, that is 900. Where b equal to 8, then n equal to 8, b bit. So 8 minus 2, that is 6 into 180 degrees, 1080 degree. C bit, n equal to 10. So 10 minus 2 into 180 degree, that is 1440 degree. And n that is n minus 2 into 180 degree. So interior angle sum of any polygon is n minus 2 into 180 degree, where n is the side of the polygon. Next is, what is a regular polygon? State the name of regular polygon. 3 sides, 4 sides and 6 sides. We already know regular polygon. If a polygon having equilateral and equiangular or is a polygon having equal sides and equal angle, then it is called regular polygon. So if it has 3 sides, then it is called equilateral triangle, because all sides are same and each angles are 60 degree. So equilateral triangle is a regular polygon. If it has 4 sides, then it is the examples of regular polygon is square, because each sides are same and each angles are 90 degree same. So square is examples of regular polygon, whereas the rectangle is not an example of regular polygon. And if it is 6 side, it has 6 sides, so regular polygon, that is called regular hexagon. Each sides and each angles are same measure. So that's all for today. Thank you.